Hi kids, welcome back once again. So today we are going to start new concept chapter number 11 in English grammar, and today we will learn and talk about is, are, am. So is, are, am are being verbs. So now first of all we will talk and learn about is. So is a being verb, and is used with pronoun that prefer one person, one animal or one place or singular subjects. Is used with he, she, it, etc. So one person, like this man is very old. This man is very old. This is singular, the man is singular. So this boy is eating. This boy is eating because the boy is singular subject. Now next is are. So are is used with the noun that prefers more than one person, one animal or one place or plural subjects like he, like we, you, they, etc. Like if there is one pencil, okay? If there is one pencil, so this is a pencil, or this pencil is very sharp. So this pencil is a singular subject. Now if we have more than one pencil, like if we have one pencil, okay, then two pencils, three. So now these are pencils, are, or these pencils are very sharp. Pencils, okay. Next is am. So am is always used with I. Am is always used with the pronoun I. I am a boy. I am very beautiful. I am very happy. So am is always used with pronoun I. Now read the following sentences carefully. Am. I am happy. I am a student. I am a teacher. Next is. So he is a doctor. He. She is a doctor. Singular subject. It is an egg. So egg. This is her bag. Singular subject. That is his bat. Raman. Singular subject. Raman is in the classroom. Babu is not at home. There is a thief. Thief, it means singular subject. There is a thief in the house. Next is are. You are late. We are friends. They are lazy. They, it means more than one. Those boys. Boys, plural subject. So those boys are tall. These girls, plural subject. These girls are short. These toys, plural subject, not toy. Toy is a singular subject, na? So toys. These toys are mine. There are 30 boys in the class. So boys are. Ankit and Sumit, more than one. Ankit and Sumit are very happy. So now I am going to start book work. Page number 41. Choose the correct words from the brackets. आपको brackets में से right word को choose करना है और उसको tick करना है. Komal is or are a good girl. Komal is a singular subject. One है Komal, one से ज़्यादा नहीं है. So Komal is a good girl. Not Komal are a good girl is not correct. So I, it means am. I is or I am a student of class 3. I am a student of class 3. There are is or is many stars in the sky. So many stars, it means plural subject. So there are many stars in the sky. These students is not in uniform or these students are not in uniform. Students, it means plural. Students hai, it means more than one. So these students are not in uniform. Okay. Varun and Rachit. So Varun and Rachit are two. Varun and Rachit are or is in the library. Varun and Rachit are in the library. We are or we am very happy to meet you. We are very happy to meet you or we am very happy to meet you. Am is always used with I. So we are very happy to meet you. There is a monkey on the tree or there are a monkey on the tree. There is, because monkey is a singular. This is my favorite book or this are my favorite book. This is, because book is one. Filling the blanks with is, are or am. Yuvika and Sanya dash friends. So Yuvika and Sanya, they are two. So Yuvika and Sanya is friends? No, are friends. Next is I. So I am very happy. The teacher dash angry. Teacher, it means singular, not plural. So the teacher is angry. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. These mangoes. Mangoes, it means more than one mango. Mangoes. These mangoes dash sweet. These mangoes is sweet. No. These mangoes are sweet. We dash never late for the class. We are. Because we are more than one. Rachit dash a tall boy. Rachit is a singular subject. So Rachit is a tall boy. How old dash you? How old are you? There dash 7 days in a week. Days, plural. So there are 7 days in a week. Who dash is the monitor of the class? Who dash the monitor of the class? Monitor, it means singular subject, not monitors. So who is the monitor of the class? What dash your name? What is your name? You dash my best friend. You are my best friend. Okay. Now I will be sending the assignment of these work you have to do in your fair notebook. Is that okay? Now got it? The concept of is, are or am. I hope you liked and enjoyed. So now take care and goodbye everyone. We will meet you soon with another interesting concept. The concept will be was or were. So take care and goodbye.